Yep.
Yeah.
Where's the boiler room?
The boiler room is the one with the canopy over there, past the fallout shelter. Oh, they have it. They have it. They have the bomb. They're in the boiler room. They got the flame.
Alright.
Orange team has set the bomb.
Surrender.
Oh, 1 minute left on the bomb. 1 minute left. Forty seconds. Stop. Good. Yeah, they should start stopping it. You get it?
Yeah.
Alright, yellow team has the ball. And it says 17 seconds. 17 seconds. 10 seconds. Let's get it. Game over. Oh, yeah.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
So used to not having this. Cause I could see over you, and you were on this side, and the guy was right on the other end.
Yeah, I think that, is that why you laughed?
Yeah.
I got all three of them in there that planted it. Did you get deactivated?
Yeah.
I got all of them in there who planted it.
Oh, excuse me, sir.